Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, tractors, trucks, all kinds of stuff. It's a lot of fun. You're gonna like what we got on here today. So I kind of acquired another bulldozer, and it's only got 986 hours on it according to the hour meter. I'll just show you people.
There it goes. Let's tear down!
It's a fine machine. 6-way. It's in really good shape. These hoses, these are the non-rubber exterior. A lot tougher that way. Blades in excellent shape. Cutting edge hardly has any wear on it. Anywhere. I like that. And you know, couple, you know, it needs a thing or two because it's, get out there. It's set outside, like there's a handle that's not here, you know, for leaving it for clothes. And then somebody was really trying hard. They patched the fuel tank, discovered that, and they bondoed that. What is that? Okay, yeah. See, hold up. Wait a minute, we got this. Look it right here. It's like a puzzle when you were a kid. You get the idea. So there's that. That's a good indicator it was well cared for. And then, yeah, what we got here? Oh, well, they had a replacement there. Got a spare hose. That's good. I mean, it needs a, you know, little bit of work, but you know, hey, we like a challenge over here at American Tradesmen. We got some linkages, and apparently it did, or at one time, have a reverser, because it would have bolted here. I haven't cleaned all the pine straw out to really locate it. See if it's still on here. What was that? Oh, it's a frog. Thought I was snake bit, people. But looks like it used to have a battery here. Let's see what else we got. Probably an owner's manual or something. Did you get the idea? There's that, because we've now robbed the battery disconnect. So there's, you know, it needs a little work. Let's see if we've got any more treasures. Not really. It needs a little bit of work. Not much. I figure we'll have it, you know, on the job breaking next week. Something like that. Pins and bushings are in great shape on here. I think I can get a turn out of them. That's good and rounded. You want that. You definitely, you want your sprockets rounded like that. It's better. How many rollers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's a long frame. So, yeah, we're going to see if the motor's stuck. And if it's not, then we might actually see if it'll crank. So let's see what happens. That hardly has any wear at all. That oil looks good in there, boy. Yes. There's that out of the way now. Aftermarket exhaust work. That's good. Well, the water pump isn't frozen. Not really a good sign. Looks like I just changed the air filter. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what we want. We're drawing into the motor. Hearing a little bit of life out of it. We're just trying to see if we can even get the engine to spin over, because I can't get down there to it. I can hear the fuel shutoff solenoid pulling. Ooh, that's a bad place to put it. Don't go there. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, that's getting hot. Probably time to stop that.